Cognition AI just dropped a video on Devin, the first AI software engineer. I'm going to do a quick assessment of its features. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to gain access as well.
To specify a coding task for Devin, you enter a prompt just like ChatGPT. Llama and others mentioned are competitors of ChatGPT and Google. After receiving the coding task, Devin writes out a plan, which is essential for any implementation. Next, it starts on the task using its web-based IDE, which has the look and feel of Microsoft VSCode. Runs into a bug, it adds print statements and looks into the logs to figure out how to fix the issue. When all bugs have been resolved, Devin then builds the software and builds a website. The team behind Devin has made bold claims about its performance, and it will be interesting to see if it can live up to those expectations when it is released. After watching this video, I immediately tried to access the preview. However, you will have to request access from their web form. You'll want to get on this quickly, as a wait list will likely be long. Do you have a dream app that you would like to develop? Comment with Devin below, and I'll send you the link to the web form.